I waited. I waited. I kept believing, I kept praying, but today I have come with a testimony. My breakthrough has come. My breakthrough has come. Yeah. My breakthrough has come. My breakthrough has come. God has been good to me. What I prayed for is finally happening. My breakthrough has come. My breakthrough has come. My time has arrived. From waiting to winning, from prayer to breakthrough. I used to see closed doors, now opportunities are calling. I used to walk on foot, now I'm moving to the next level. I used to send out resumes, now meetings are booking themselves. I only had dreams, now the vision is becoming reality. They said it was impossible, but God made a way. They said it couldn't happen, but God had another plan. When I surrendered everything to Him, He changed my story. Now I can boldly say, my breakthrough has come. My breakthrough has come. My breakthrough has come. God has been good to me. What I prayed for is finally happening. My breakthrough has come. My breakthrough has come. My time has arrived. From waiting to winning, from prayer to breakthrough. Every season, my network has expanded. New connections, new doors, projects are moving forward. Ideas are bearing fruit. What once looked impossible has become my testimony. The pressure I once carried has turned into praise. The tears I once cried have turned into worship. The promotion came, my breakthrough has come. The contract came, to breakthrough. Last year I was praying, this year I'm testifying. Last season I was waiting, this season I'm celebrating. God has done it. My breakthrough has come. My breakthrough has come.